Good morning, friends. I'm Watermelon, the biggest and juiciest fruit in town. Big isn't everything. I'm the sweetest fruit here. Everybody loves me.
You two can argue all day, but I'm the vitamin champion.
Maybe we're all winners.
The biggest and juiciest fruit in town.
Sit pretty, let's get right into it. So we go straight to ChatGPT, and this is the prompt I'm going to use to generate my scenes. Okay, so you can read it through. This is what I have. All right, you can pause, read it through to see. Okay, now I'm creating this in 16 by 9 because I want YouTube ratio. Please make sure to include all of this whenever you are prompting. Prompting is very, very important. Okay, all right, I want it to be a dialogue, a conversation. So all these things are very important when you are prompting, sorry. Include the very, very necessary things in your prompt, and that way you're going to get something reasonable. So you can read through. This is all. I actually use the voice, but you can hear it, so I just decided to show it on the screen before I send it. Okay, so now I'm going to tap send to actually generate what we're going to see, and here is the outcome. So you can see it came out in scenes just like I requested. Three cute 3D cartoon fruit stand on a weekday. So you can read through this to see all it gave. So I requested for about 6 scenes and it is done for me. You can see continue with the exact same characters and camera angle. This is one good determinant of consistency of characters. Okay, so I have option for watermelon, orange, banana. Okay, and the other one. So you can see how it all came out based on the prompt I gave in. That is why I said you should always put in your best when it comes to you prompting. All right, so now I'm going to try to generate this image, and I'm going to input this prompt so you can retrieve. Now give me the image I'm going to use to generate scene one. Okay, and this was the outcome. So it gave me this image for my scene one, and I'm going to use it to generate every of them. Okay, so save the image. Now let's go to generating our visual. So I'm going to go straight here to my browser. I'm using Chrome, so I'm going to type and search for Qwen AI. Okay, now I'm just going to log in, and this is the interface. This is what it looks like. Tap on it to view it full. Okay, so let's start creating. You tap on this plus sign, then you're gonna see options for you to select from. So you have option for you to choose if you want to create video, audio, whatever you want to create, or you want to upload your picture. So I'm starting with uploading my image, so I'm going to go to my gallery and pick the image I have saved from ChatGPT. I'm going to come back here. Okay, as you can see, it is loading. Okay, then I'm going to go again there, choose video because I'm creating video. Don't forget to as well check your aspect ratio. So let's go to ChatGPT to copy our prompt. Okay, let's go for scene two. So you're going to copy this prompt. Okay, we're going to copy the 3D cartoon prompt for the first one. Continue with exact same characters, the same angle and everything. The mango will speak second. Okay, so we're looking at the second speaker here, which is the mango. Read through it so you can see all it contains. Okay, if I tap on send and wait for it to load. Okay, so it is loading. It takes about 25 seconds thereabout to load. So let's see what the outcome is going to be. Okay, and I think we are here. Okay, so please make sure to always check properly all you've input before you send. Now let's see what we're gonna have. So this is the output. Remember, we are focusing on the second speaker, the mango. Okay, you can see it is the mango speaking now, and every of them are shutting their mouth up. Okay, so that's one thing you should make sure to have in your prompt. You should make sure to let them know that they should talk one after the other so that they cannot all be talking at the same time. Now let's do the second one. Now we are trying for watermelon, the first speaker. So we're going to do the same process. Okay, you select video, you go pick your image because we're using the same image. Okay, then you go to ChatGPT, copy the prompt. Okay, select our image because we're using the same image. Then you're going to go to ChatGPT, copy. Okay, the same one now is what we're going to work with to get the watermelon to speak. Okay, so I'm going to go to scene 1 right here, copy the prompt, then I'm going to go back, impute it just like the first one. You can always pause to read through it. Okay, so you're going to go there, paste it just like we did with the first one. So let's go to Qwen. So right here I paste it because I already uploaded my image. So you can read through it. You can always pause to read through it. You can see the first one, which is the watermelon, to speak first, and other ones to remain completely silent. That's very important so that they will not be talking all at the same time. You get. So now we're going to send it as well to generate our second video, which is going to come first in arrangement when you are trying to put all of it together in the editing app. So let's see what we are going to generate out of this. So I'm going to tap on send and it's going to load as usual. It takes about 25 seconds, like I said, for it to load, and when the network is slow it can take more than that. Okay, so let's make it fast. So now we have this. Let's see what we have.
Good morning, friends.
Now you can
I'm
see that the
Watermelon,
watermelon is
the
actually
biggest and
speaking.
juiciest fruit in town.
Follow this
Good morning,
same process
friends. I'm
until you
Watermelon,
get all
the
your
biggest
scenes
and
created.
juiciest fruit in town.
Anyway, if you're seeing me for the first time, so welcome to the channel. Right here we do a lot of things. We talk about digital growth, we talk about content creation, we talk about AI creation, and every other thing in between. So if you like what we do, you can actually join us simply by subscribing, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell on, because that's going to give you quick notifications whenever I post a new video. Keep staying safe. See you in the next one. Bye.